Alright guys, so today I cleaned some of my suede shoes and I was like, oh, definitely want to do a video on this because it's so important. I always wear heels for everything, literally. So I wanted to show you guys how to clean your suede heels. I cleaned some pink ones earlier. I'll definitely insert a picture of the before and after. I wanted to show you the process. So this is one that I cleaned the toe area. As you can see, this toe area is still a bit, just looking a little funky. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So the brush has lots of different areas that you can use. So I'm gonna start off using this side, and you're gonna kind of want to this part here, and I'm gonna kind of just trying to rub the dirt out. Now I'm not an expert, so I'm not telling you this is the exact way to do it. I'm just showing you that this is what works for me and how I'm going to keep my shoes in check. Where we pretty much got the toe prints out, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. We're going to keep going because we can get them all the way out. You can go back and forth with this motion. This is great if you're like me. I absolutely love wearing my heels, but I really want to preserve them. And it's a little bit hard when you wear them for everything. I literally got to go to the airport and heels. Alright, so now I'm going to use some softer part, and we are done. Pretty good. And I'm going to go in with this spray to help preserve the shoes. Well, my cat is running over. And there we go. Toe prints are out, baby.